Here we have a Kyalami Green Audi RS3 Sportback. We're describing this car as fully loaded. That is a loosely used term in the motoring industry. However, there is no better phrase to describe this car because it is equipped with every single one of Audi's factory optional extras. Spectres of Vorsprung, this is Audi's flagship trim for the RS3. It's all about technology and equipment, which means it's equipped with a panoramic glass sunroof, the driver assistance package, the head-up display, the RS adaptive suspension, plus a whole lot more. Further to that, this RS3 is equipped with the RS dynamic package, which means it features the carbon ceramic brake discs, which are identifiable by the anthracite grey calipers, and it also features a top speed increase to 180 mph. It doesn't just stop there. Over £4,000 of modifications are being invested into the Sportback, including genuine Audi RS interior design pack dashboard vents in Kyalami Green, Ibach's 25mm lowering springs with 10mm spacers, auto watches goes to immobiliser, and full vehicle coverage of Pro Film self-healing paint protection film, which was installed from brand new. This car has completed our meticulous detailing preparation process, which means it is now ready for sale. So if you want to find out more information about this car, we recommend heading over to our website or giving us a quick call.
Bye.